Video 9.7 Analytics Services. In this video, we will cover the following topics: Amazon Athena, Amazon Cloud Search, Amazon Elasticsearch, Amazon EMR, Amazon Kinases, Amazon QuickSight, Amazon Glue, Amazon Lake Formation. Hello, let us explore analytics services provided by AWS. Amazon Athena. Amazon Athena is an interactive query service that makes it easy to analyze data in Amazon S3 using standard SQL. Athena is serverless, so there is no infrastructure to manage, and you pay only for the queries that you run. With Athena, there's no need for complex extract, transform, and load or ETL jobs to prepare your data for analysis. This makes it easy for anyone with SQL skills to quickly analyze large-scale data sets. Amazon Cloud Search. Amazon Cloud Search is a managed service in the AWS cloud that makes it simple and cost-effective to set up, manage, and scale a search solution for your website or application. Amazon Cloud Search supports 34 languages and popular search features such as highlighting, autocomplete, and geospatial search. Amazon Elasticsearch Service. Amazon Elasticsearch Service makes it easy to deploy, secure, operate, and scale Elasticsearch to search, analyze, and visualize data in real time. With Amazon Elasticsearch Service, you get easy-to-use APIs and real-time analytics capabilities to power use cases such as log analytics, full-text search, application monitoring, and clickstream analytics with enterprise-grade availability, scalability, and security. It also integrates seamlessly with other AWS services so that you can go from raw data to actionable insights quickly. Amazon EMR. Amazon EMR provides a managed Hadoop framework that makes it easy, fast, and cost-effective to process vast amounts of data across dynamically scalable Amazon EC2 instances. You can also run other popular distributed frameworks such as Apache Spark, HBase, Presto, and Flink in Amazon EMR, and interact with data in other AWS data stores such as Amazon S3 and Amazon DynamoDB. EMR notebooks, based on the popular Jupyter Notebook, provide a development and collaboration environment for ad hoc querying and exploratory analysis. Amazon Kinases. Amazon Kinases makes it easy to collect, process, and analyze real-time streaming data so you can get timely insights and react quickly to new information. Amazon Kinases offers key capabilities to cost-effectively process streaming data at any scale, along with the flexibility to choose the tools that best suit the requirements of your application. With Amazon Kinases, you can ingest real-time data such as video, audio, application logs, website clickstreams, and IoT telemetry data for machine learning, analytics, and other applications. Amazon Kinases enables you to process and analyze data as it arrives and respond instantly instead of having to wait until all your data is collected before the processing can begin. Amazon Kinases currently offers 4 services: Kinases Data Firehose, Kinases Data Analytics, Kinases Data Streams, and Kinases Video Streams. Amazon QuickSight. Amazon QuickSight is a fast cloud-powered business intelligence or BI service that makes it easy for you to deliver insights to everyone in your organization. QuickSight lets you create and publish interactive dashboards that can be accessed from browsers or mobile devices. QuickSight easily scales to tens of thousands of users without any software to install, servers to deploy, or infrastructure to manage. Amazon Glue. AWS Glue is a fully managed extract, transform, and load service that makes it easy for customers to prepare and load their data for analytics. You can create and run a job with a few clicks in the AWS Management Console. Amazon Lake Formation. AWS Lake Formation is a service that makes it easy to set up a secure data lake in days. A data lake is a centralized, curated, and secured repository that stores all your data both in its original form and prepared for analysis. A data lake enables you to break down data silos and combine different types of analytics to gain insights and guide better business decisions. This brings us to the end of this video. Summary. In this video, we have covered the following topics: Amazon Athena, Amazon Cloud Search, Amazon Elasticsearch, Amazon EMR, Amazon Kinases, Amazon QuickSight, Amazon Glue, Amazon Lake Formation. In the next video, we will learn about application services.